Now we will start with the chapter number 5, factorization. The term factorization means breaking down bigger number into the smaller ones. For example, 15 is equal with 5 into 3. So these are the factors of original number. Another example, 45 means 9 into 5. Here 9 splitting again, 3 into 3 into 5. With splitting the number into smaller ones, we are saying as a factorization. 5 types of the different method we are going to learn in this chapter. In that, first method is taking out the common factors. For this method, we have to use the highest common factor, HCF, we are going to take. For example, first 4x square minus 20. Here from the number I will take 4 as a HCF, so that your answer will be x square minus 5. So this is exactly the first method of factorization. Let's have a look to the other sums. In this sum, 7x plus y square and minus 5x plus y. Here numbers, we cannot take the number as a common, but we can take the bracket. So this bracket I am taking once as a HCF. So x plus y in another bracket 7, one bracket is left out, x plus y minus 5. Okay, now from this sum I will take HCF first from the number. For example, 8 I am taking. So 8 5s are 40. From the x square and x I have to take the x because we are thinking about the HCF. So from this question 8 I am taking common, here x as well as y. So remaining numbers are like this. 8 ones are 8. So the remaining number is x plus 5y. So this is the answer. Moving towards new question. Now in this question again have a look towards the number. Number 2x, 3y and 4z. Numbers we cannot take common. But let's have a bracket. Let's have a look towards the bracket. So that 2x, a minus b, 3y. Here I am taking 5 common. So 5 taking out. A minus b. Here 4. Z. 2 I am taking common here. So into 2. B minus a. Now this bracket is a minus b. This is also a minus b. This bracket we have to make a minus b. So that 2x a minus b plus 15y a minus b 8z. Now I want a minus b. So this minus sign I brought here. So minus a minus b. Now everywhere we are getting the common a minus b as well as a minus b. So I am taking a minus b common and remaining numbers are 2x, 15y minus 8z. This is second type of the factorization in which we have to do the grouping of common terms. So for example, this is the question. So we are doing here grouping of this 2 and this 2. From this 2, the HCF of a, it will be a cube, a minus 2. And from this 2, we are looking at the number. So minus 4, that's why inside the bracket minus sign will be there. 4 2s are 8. Now these two brackets are same. Take common a minus 2 and in the remaining bracket a cube minus 4. Right. Okay, now look at this sum. A square plus b minus ab minus. From this question, we cannot take common factor from these two. First two terms. So we have to take the alternate one. So alternate is like this. A square minus ab and b minus a. From these two I will take a as a common factor. So a minus b. And here nothing to take. So take 1. B minus a. Now a minus b. I want this bracket as a minus b. So this minus sign I am shifting here. So that minus 1 a minus b. This both are same. Take common a minus b. Another bracket have a minus 1. Right. Okay, to this question now. A square in bracket x square plus 1 into x plus a. We have to make a group of this and this a. So that a square x square plus a x square plus 1 and x. So from this two we have to take common a. Then a x square plus 1 and a x square plus 1 x. So these two brackets are same now. We are taking this bracket common. A x square plus 1 and a plus x. Now moving towards this question. In this question, a into a minus 4 minus a plus 4. So a minus 4. Here we are taking minus sign common. That's why this sign will change. So that a minus 4. Now these two brackets are same. Taking common a minus 4 and a minus 1. Here we are considering as 1. So that a minus 1. We are solving this sum by grouping method. So make a group of first 3 and this 2. Now this is expansion of a minus 1 upon a bracket square. And here minus 3 taking common, so that this sign will change, which is a minus 1 upon a. Now these two brackets are same, take one bracket common. So a minus 1 upon a, and because of square one bracket is left, a minus 1 upon a minus 3. In this question, m x minus 3y bracket square, again n 3y minus x. From these two, I will take 5 common. 5x minus 3y. Okay, now look, x minus 3y, x minus 3y. We have to change this as x minus 3y. So to the next step, m x minus 3y bracket square. I have to change this sign. So minus sign will be here. Minus n x minus 3y plus 5 and x minus 3y. Now all bracket on. So x minus 3y. So in another bracket we are getting m x minus 3y minus n plus 5. So multiplying this, m x minus 3my minus n plus 5, and this bracket as it is. Okay, let's start here with third type of factorization. This factorization is depending upon the splitting the middle term. For example, we are taking a trinomial ax square plus bx plus c, but they are saying splitting the middle term. Now we have to split this middle term in such a way that product is equal with the AC and sum is like a B. For example, first example I am going to start. Here x square plus 5x plus 6. Now think about the middle term only. So first of all, 6 we are going to split into two parts, which is 6x, a into c. 6x we are splitting into two parts, which is 3x and 2x. Means 3 plus 2 you are getting 5 and 3 into 2 you are getting 6. So conditions are satisfied. So this splitting we are keeping here at the place of middle term, right? So x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now grouping by this 2 and this 2. Here x take common, x plus 3. Here we are taking 2. So that x plus 3. Now these two brackets are same. Take once x plus 3 and in other bracket x plus 2. Clear? Okay, now moving towards new question. 6a square minus a minus 15. So this a we have to split up first. So a into c we have to do. A into c. according to the trinomial. So minus 15 into 6 will be minus 90. Now in this minus 90, middle number is minus, means bigger number should be minus. So 10 nines are 10 nines are 90, and minus 10 plus 9 you are getting minus 1, means minus 8. Keep these values in the middle term, means 6a square minus 10a plus 9a minus 15. So grouping this 2 and this 2. Here we are taking 2a as a common, highest common factor, SCF. So 2a common. So in bracket 3a minus 5. Here 3 I am taking common. So that 3a minus 5. Again these two brackets are same. Take once 3a minus 5. In other bracket 2a plus 3. Okay. Now to this question. Same thing we have to use. We are going to split this middle term. This middle term we are going to split. Now minus 9 splitting into 9 ones are 9. This is plus. So big number should be plus and small number is minus. Means 9 into 1 you are getting minus 9, and plus 9 minus 1 you are getting plus 8. Clear? So at this middle term we are keeping these two values, means a square b square plus 9ab minus ab minus 9. Grouping like this 2 and this 2. So here I am taking common ab, so that ab plus 9. Here minus 1. Because of minus 1 this sign will change. So ab plus 9. Again you see these two brackets are same, means AB plus 9 and AB minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, for fourth sum, a plus b bracket square minus 3 I will take common. Because of minus 3 this sign will be changed. So that sign will be plus 2a plus b minus 4. Now these two brackets are there. Let's consider this bracket 2a plus b as x. So in short form I have x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Now minus 4 splitting as like 4 ones are. In this minus 1 is there. Middle sign is minus. So bigger number has minus sign. And this has plus sign. So that minus 4 plus 1 will get minus 3, and minus 4 ones are minus 4, right? So these two values we are keeping at the place of minus 3x, right? So x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 equal to 0. By grouping this 2 and this 2, x take common, x minus 4. Here nothing, so take 1 as a common, then x minus 4. Now these two brackets are again same. Take once common, x minus 4 and x plus 1. Now x value is 2a plus b. Here I am keeping this value. So that 2a plus b minus 4, and here 2a plus b plus 1. Clear? Now to this question. In this question, 5 minus 3a square minus 2a, in another bracket 6 minus, and put the bracket so that this bracket and this bracket will be same, so that minus sign I am taking out of the bracket. So 3a square minus 2a bracket will complete. Here let 3a square minus 2a will be x, so that 5 minus x, 6 minus x. Okay, so here 5 minus 6x plus x square. Rearranging x square minus 6x plus 5. Means plus 5 splitting as like your middle term. Means minus 5 and minus 1. Minus 5 plus minus 1 will get minus 6, and minus 5 into minus 1 will get 5. Clear? So these two terms I am keeping here. So x square minus 5x minus x plus 5. By grouping these two and here these two, x take common, x minus 5, here minus 1, so that this sign will change, x minus 5. These two brackets are same, so that I am taking ones, x minus 5 and x minus 1. Now x value I am keeping here again. X value is 3a square minus 2a, which is 3a square minus 2a minus 5, and here 3a square minus 2a minus 1. Now again we are having here trinomial. Solve separately. Here I am solving 3a square minus 2a minus 5, and other bracket is 3a square minus 2a minus 1. Now for this bracket 3 5s are 15, means minus 15. Splitting into two terms, means 5 3s are 5 3s are. Middle term is minus, so bigger number has minus sign and the smaller number has plus sign. These two values I am keeping here, means 3a square minus 5a plus 3a minus 5. Single, this side I am solving first. So grouping this two and this two. Common a, 3a minus 5 plus 1, 3a minus 5. So I am getting this two bracket again common. So we are taking this bracket as ones, 3a minus 5 and a plus 1. Okay, now look at this. Here 3a square minus 2a minus 3. A into c means 3 into minus 1. Minus 3 is going to split like minus 3 plus 1. This minus 3 plus 1, you are having minus 2, and minus 3 into plus 1 will get minus 3. Both conditions are satisfied. Now this value keep in the middle term, means 3a square minus 3a plus a minus 1. Take common from this 2 and this 2. We are having 3a as a common, so a minus 1. Here 1 and a minus 1. So we are having a minus 1, these two brackets are same. So take ones, a minus 1, and in other bracket 3a plus 1. Now this question is also based on type 3. Type 3 means splitting the middle term. Now here we can see the denominator 35, 35. So here also 35 multiply with 35. Now rearranging means 35a square upon 35 plus 12a upon 35 plus 1 upon 35. As you know, denominators are same, I will take common. So 1 upon 35 I am taking common. In bracket 35a square plus 12a plus 1. Now a into c means 35 into 1 means plus 35. Splitting, like sum will be 12 and multiplication will be 35, means 7 5s are plus 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 7 plus 5 will get plus 12 and 7 5s are 35. So placing this value in the middle term, so 1 upon 35 as it is, 35a square plus 7a plus 5a plus 1. By grouping these two terms and this two. So taking common from this is 7a, 7 5s are, so 5a plus 1, and here just plus 1 common and 5a plus 1. Now these two brackets are same, taking common these two brackets, so we are having 1 upon 35, and these two brackets are same, so 5a plus 1, in other bracket 7a plus 1. 7a plus 1. So this is the answer. This sum is also based on type 3. Middle term we have to distribute. So So first of all, a into c means 4 into 2 will get minus 8 into root 3 and root 3 means root 3 into root 3. So minus 8 into 3, root 3 into root 3, 3, right? So minus 24. Minus 24, how we are splitting? 8 3s are. So plus, if this term is plus, the bigger term is plus. So plus 8 minus 3. You are getting plus 8 minus 3 will get 5 plus, and by multiplying you are getting 24. Okay. So placing this value in the middle term, 4 root 3x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3. Now grouping these two terms and these two. Okay, so here I am taking common as a 4x. HCF we are using, so 4x is common, and root 3x plus 2 is remaining. Now here we cannot take any common, so that minus 3 will convert it into root 3 into minus root 3. So if you are multiplying these two, root 3 into minus root 3 will get minus 3. So this value I am placing at the place of minus 3x. So that I am having minus 3 root and root 3x minus 2 root 3. Now it will be easy to take common from this. So 4x as it is, root 3x plus 2 minus root 3. I am taking common from both sides. So I have root 3x, because I am taking minus, this sign will change. It will be plus 2. Now these two brackets are same. Clear? These two brackets are same. Take common, root 3x plus 2 in other bracket, 4x minus